Alright everybody, wanted to share with you the unboxing of my new heat press that I just got in the mail earlier this week. It is by Heat Press Nation. It's their Black Series 15 by 15 model. I got it new. So here's the box that it came in. You can see there it clearly puts save the box for warranty, so if you ever have to return it. Box came in fairly good shape, or pretty good shape. You can see there's one little, looks like something hit it there, but on the whole and overall the box itself arrived in really good shape. Alrighty, so let me get back set back up here. Brand new, as you can see, it's totally sealed still. Have not cut it open yet, so I'm going to do that. So you're going to be watching the unboxing and seeing it as I see it. I'm going to cut this packaging strip here. Tape. Alright. There's a document slip here. Basically just has my, it's a shipping document with order transaction number. Okay. So what do we got so far? Box in a box. Okay. Moving that out there. Opening this up. Okay, so we got owner's manual for the Black Series. Again, this is the 15 by 15 model. Take a quick look. Getting started, warranty, safety first, of course. So basically just a typical owner's manual, gauge operating guide. And it looks like it's an English only manual. Okay. Other sheet that came with it, it looks like it's a guarantee or a warranty statement here. Right. Alright, so we got a big foam block on the top here. Let's get this off. Alright, so it looks like it came okay. Looks like part of the, I don't know if you can see that in there, but chunk of the foam that inserts in there is broke off, and it looks like it's stuck in between. There we go, get you guys a better view here. So there's a chunk of the foam that broke off in there. Alright, so let me pause this here and see if I can get set up with a better angle here. Alright, so I was just pause it real quick to kind of look at it, the best way to get this out and still show you. So it seems like I'm probably just going to, easiest for me is probably just to lift this sucker out. Don't recommend this unless you are comfortable or fairly strong. I like to think I am, because this thing weighs about, at least the packaging slips in 65 pounds. Okay. So, let me see the camera screen, how we're doing on angle here. Alright. These are just wrapped in a plastic bag. Working this bag off of here. Trying to be careful with the new toy. There's that chunk of foam that broke off. Put it with the another chunk of the foam there. Oh. And I got the extra leverage handle. Let's see. The bag, toss that back in there. This is the extra handle for leverage. And get rid of the trash here. Alright, I'm going to take the camera off of the tripod here and kind of do a better walk around of it. Okay, so as you can see, it comes, it looks like it's fully assembled. Let's see. Everything looks to be in pretty good shape. No damage that I can see. No scratches or dents so far that I can tell. I guess that was holding something together, maybe the extra leverage handle. There's the cabling in there. A little bit of rub mark there. Rubs it right off. It's got kind of a, you can hear my finger scratching on it, a textured matte finish to it. It's a black series, but this is actually more of a dark gray. On the front. Open this guy up here, or gal. The foam bottom, platen on the top there. Turn it on its side to get some light onto it. Alright. Alright. So looking pretty good. Can't wait to use it. Put this back on its side again, or right side up. Yep, everything looks great. Alright guys, so there you have it. Unboxing of a Heat Press Nation 15x15 clamshell style heat press. So if you ever ordered one from Heat Press Nation, it took about a week to get to me, and I paid for it through PayPal, so it was a pretty easy transaction. As you saw, the packaging was in really good condition, and so far at least, it seems to at least arrived in very good, as expected, brand new condition with no damage or dings. Alright guys, so hopefully this was helpful as far as what to expect if you ordered a heat press from Heat Press Nation. I'll be making a video once I get to using this, so be on the lookout for that. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe, or give a thumbs up, and to subscribe so that you'll get the notifications when I make a new video. Hopefully next one I make will be actually using the new heat press. Alright guys, thanks.